Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to build credit. Credit is important because it can help you get loans and credit cards at lower interest rates. It can also help you rent an apartment or buy a car. What is credit? Credit is a loan that you can borrow from a bank or other lender. When you borrow money, you agree to repay it with interest. Your credit score is a number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. It is based on your history of borrowing and repaying debt. How to build credit. There are a few things you can do to build credit. Get a credit card and use it responsibly. There are many different types of credit cards available, so it's important to choose one that's right for you. Consider factors like your credit score, spending habits, and rewards preferences. Once you have a credit card, use it regularly and pay your bill on time each month. This will help you build a positive payment history, which is one of the most important factors in your credit score. Don't max out your credit card. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means that you should only use up to 30% of your credit limit each month. Pay your bills on time. This includes your credit card bills, your mortgage, your car loan, and any other debts you have. Making even one late payment can damage your credit score. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you are using compared to the amount of credit you have available. For example, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you owe $500, your credit utilization is 50%. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This will help you build a good credit score. Don't apply for too many credit cards at once. When you apply for a credit card, the lender will do a hard inquiry on your credit report. This can lower your credit score. To avoid this, don't apply for too many credit cards at once. If you need to apply for a new credit card, do it one at a time. Dispute any errors on your credit report. It's important to check your credit report regularly for errors. If you see an error, dispute it with the credit bureau. An error on your credit report can damage your credit score. By disputing the error, you can help to improve your credit score. Examples of how building credit can help you. Getting a loan to buy a house. Getting a lower interest rate on a car loan. Renting an apartment. Getting a job. Getting approved for a cell phone plan. Getting a credit card with a higher limit. Different factors that affect your credit score. Payment history. This is the most important factor in your credit score. Credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you are using compared to the amount of credit you have available. Length of credit history. The longer your credit history, the better. Hard inquiries. Hard inquiries can lower your credit score. Debt to income ratio. This is the amount of debt you have compared to your income. Public records. This includes bankruptcies, foreclosures, and late payments. Tips on how to improve your credit score. Get a credit card and use it responsibly. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't apply for too many credit cards at once. Dispute any errors on your credit report. Get a secured credit card if you have bad credit. Make a payment arrangement if you have delinquent debts. Wait for negative items to fall off your credit report. Conclusion. Building credit takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these tips, you can build a good credit score and get the loans and credit cards you need. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.